A forensic investigator disclosed to the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry on 24 October that Deputy National Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Shadrack Spear received payments from the controversial businessman Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, who is currently facing attempted murder charges. The police officer, referred to as Witness C, testified before the commission investigating criminality, political interference, and corruption in the justice system, which is chaired by retired Constitutional Court Justice Mbuyisile Madlanga. Witness C explained that Matlala provided critical information while a team was working to locate the kidnapped businessman Jerry Boshoga in December of the previous year. According to Witness C, a contingent that included members of the police's Specialized Task Force, National Intervention Unit, and Tactical Response Team descended upon Matlala's mansion in Pretoria as part of one of 3 simultaneous operations conducted in both Pretoria and Johannesburg. The witness revealed that Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, the head of crime intelligence, informed the team that they've been directed by National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemola to assume control of the investigation into Boshoga's kidnapping. Khumalo indicated that there was evidence linking Matlala to Boshoga's abduction. During their interaction with Matlala, Witness C stated that although they were unable to locate Boshoga, Matlala made shocking disclosures voluntarily and mentioned senior police officials without prompting. Matlala claimed to the team that he was a beneficiary of a South African Police Service tender worth 1.2 billion rands over a 3-year period. The witness reported that Matlala claimed to have strong connections with high-ranking police officials, specifically naming Major General Feroz Khan, the head of SAP's counterintelligence, and Major General Richard Shibiri, who heads organized crime. Matlala even provided their contact details. Additionally, he stated he was related to Major General Lesetja Sinona, the head of KwaZulu-Natal Hawks. Witness C suggested that Matlala mentioned these senior police names to intimidate them, implying his connections with the upper echelons of the SAPS. Matlala also referred to a Sergeant Nkosi as his link to Sibiya, saying he would call Nkosi to collect money packages intended for Sibiya. The witness noted that Matlala didn't elaborate on how Sibiya and Sinona helped him secure the SAPS tender. However, he did mention that after each payment made by SAPS, a portion was sent to General Sibiya, according to Witness C's testimony. While Matlala made various claims, Witness C was unclear about his motives for naming senior police officials and security analyst Kelvin Rafadi, whom Matlala alleged had assisted him with educational expenses. Further investigations revealed that Matlala indeed held a health service tender with SAPS worth 360 million rands, in addition to having numerous legal issues and a criminal record. Nonetheless, he maintained close relationships with senior SAPS officials. He also testified that Matlala communicated regularly with suspended police minister Senzo Mchunu. Notably, on the day of his house raid, Matlala was scheduled to meet Mchunu that evening. A meeting arranged through a third party. When questioned about this individual, Matlala chose not to disclose their identity, though it later surfaced that it was Brown Mogotsi, a businessman from Northwest and an ANC supporter. Matlala is currently facing charges related to the 2023 attempted murder of his ex-girlfriend, actress and socialite Tebogo Thobejane, along with conspiracy to commit murder and money laundering.